Hey, what's up guys, hope you're all feeling well. So finally the long awaited OneUi 8 update is now available for the Samsung Galaxy A34. Today in this video we'll check out that how you guys can update it. So first of all, simply go into the settings of your device and tap on software update. If you talk about the last update that I got on this device, that was of 1st July 2025. To check out the latest update, simply tap on download and install. From here you will get to see the new OneUi 8 update with the security patch level of September 1st, 2025. The update size will be around 2.3 gigabytes in size. First of all, you will have to download this update, and after downloading this update, you will have to install it. It is 2.3 gigabytes in size, and once the update is downloaded, you will get to see the option of installing. As you guys can see, I have finally downloaded the update and now I have this install now option. But make sure to install this on your device when your device is completely free, as you will be unable to use your device during this installation process. And this installation process will take a lot of time. On my S24 and S25 it took less time, but on this A34 it took a lot of time. And once the update is installed, you will get to see this welcome menu of the OneUi 8.0. Simply tap on start and you're all set up to use the OneUi 8 update. Further, if we talk about the new features, so there are multiple new features and enhancements available with this update. There are no SHUI changes or anything like that available, or any Galaxy AI feature. There are some minimal enhancements available of the OneUi 7 update. And obviously with the OneUi 8 update you get to see this Android 16 update as well. And that's a wrap for today's video. Let me know in the comment section below that have you got the OneUi 8 update on your Samsung Galaxy A34 or not yet, and which feature of the OneUi 8 are you excited to use. Also let me know that if you're facing any battery drain or lag issue after the OneUi 8 update. And if you're new on the channel, so make sure to like and subscribe, as I will keep you updated with the new upcoming updates.